Hey guys, it's Ali here from eFlux, and I've been reading this amazing book called Pattern Breakers over the past few days. And as you can see, it talks about why some startups change the future while many just follow the trail left by others. Some key concepts it talks about this whole idea, a whole notion of inflections, which are like major seismic changes that are happening in the marketplace that your insights and your idea about your product offering has to be aligned with so that you can really reap the benefits of it. The second one is the insights, right? The insights need to be right, but at the same time, they have to be non-consensus. Majority of people should not be agreeing to it or should not really be aligned fully with it, because otherwise you're not going to be a game changer, right? You're just going to be part of the herd that follows the next big trend. So you're not going to really maximize your profits and your overall impact. The third key concept is the ideas that you take these insights and convert them into functioning services and products that break those patterns and change the game. Then obviously you need the movement, you need the right ecosystem and the right timing and the right team or right early adopters. So you need all that in order for that to happen. So I was thinking a lot about the enterprise software space in the context of this, right? So with the advent of ChatGPT and generative AI, we've heard a lot about this enterprise LLM, RAGs, vector databases, and how this whole thing is going to be uh, game changing. So I would I would suggest that this is more of an inflection that has happened, right? This whole advent of generative AI, these capabilities that are now so widespread, this is a big inflection. Then you have this other thing that I've been talking a lot about, the no code within the enterprise. The no code for the enterprise applications and SaaS applications, and how you can use no code to build unified user experiences. The third thing I'm talking about is the multi cloud, and especially combining the no code with the multi cloud, where you can create unified user experiences, let's say between your ERP and your Salesforce CRM and your ServiceNow and your Workday, and you can combine all of that together into a unified user experience and integrated process orchestrations across that multi-cloud. Now, the key insight that I feel is going to be a complete pattern breaker and game changer is when you combine these three or use these three inflection points, your uh, Gen AI capabilities, but more so the agentic AI on top of it, right? So your AI agents, if they can be built using no code by the subject matter experts, by the business analysts, by the power users, and these AI agents can be multi-cloud. What I mean by that is they can trigger processes across the whole enterprise application stacks, your SaaS applications, your ERP applications, and create a unified user experience on the front so that you have the human in the loop. So that when your AI agents, they trigger the business processes that are again integrated across the multi-cloud, and the processes can be created or at least orchestrated by the subject matter experts using the no-code capabilities is going to be complete game changer, because what you essentially are doing is putting the power in the hands of the business subject matter experts, the business analysts, the power users who are closest to the business problems, to create these experiences that are across the multi-cloud. You're creating the business processes that are across the multi-cloud, and you're building AI agents on top of those processes and on top of those user experiences for the human in the loop capability. That is what's going to be the game changing aspect, and it's going to completely break the patterns of how software is built. uh, like I've been talking a lot about, it's not a software development life cycle anymore, it's more of a software development death cycle. So it's going to change that pattern of how software is developed in 2025 and beyond. I'm really excited about this because we are in a unique position with our Swift no code for the multi cloud platform that we use for creating unified user experiences, that we use to create process orchestrated across the multi cloud. Like I said, Salesforce, ServiceNow, ERP, your SAP, your JD Edwards, your Oracle Fusion applications, your Oracle NetSuite. You can orchestrate all of that within the same seamless user experience. We can orchestrate the process within them. Now we're adding the AI agent capability for the multi-cloud. So we're agnostic to any one of those offerings, and that's where it's going to be completely game-changing and pattern-breaking. Looking forward to connecting with all of you in 2025 and wish you all of the best holidays and a happy new year. Take care. Bye.